Hello, everybody. Today is 8th of May 2023. We are building a Next.js project. Next.js version 13 is the version of Next.js we are using. And we are building a personal blog and portfolio website. I will use this as my personal website. I will replace my current one with this one. So far, we have built the navigation bar, as you can see, the hero section, the landing landscape, and on the landing page, we have the featured section. That is what we have done in the past. And now, in this episode, we are going to be working on the footer. We have started working on the footer, but there was a deliberation about how to use these logos, social logos. If you are interested and haven't already, you can go watch that episode. Right, so this project is also publicly available in my GitHub profile, GitHub repos. The link should be in the description. So yeah, if you haven't already, consider subscribing. That means a lot to me. And leave a like right now. That also helps a lot and supports my growth, supports my exposure to the world. Because why? I am doing this first for myself, of course. I want to grow in public, and while I am helping myself, I want to help the community, give back to the community that I have learned a lot. So that is my honest and humble attempt to put myself out there, build some good community that I can communicate with, that I can grow together, to give back, and also build a credibility for myself, things like that. So that is an honest and humble attempt in that direction. But anyway, let's continue with our project. So I am aware that I can get distracted. That is why I want to at least have a checklist that I am following, and these first couple of series, project series that I am building, these first couple of projects, they will be more like more heavy on the learning side. So I am happy with what I am learning here. I am getting a lot of feedback for myself. I am learning and growing and making it better. Hopefully, um, hopefully the next iterations or next series, next projects on this channel will have much focused content and much more production value, if we can say that. I have also announced or made it available, made it public, that I don't really make preparations for these live streams. These are live. I am also holding a full-time developer position. On top of that, I have family duties. I have a son, so there is a lot of juggling, really, and I am trying to focus what is remaining of my productive brain juice to this channel. So that's about it. I prolonged this introduction too much, so let's continue. Let's begin today's session. and build our footer component. I know it is not in at the top of the list, but we are right now here. So yeah, if you are catching up, go check the earlier videos. Um, that is there is that exactly. Okay, what we have done so far is we have built this footer component. As you can see, we have a hook for the social things, social icons, which we fetch from our backend. Uh, for the categorization or the distinction of the content here, I made this social icons posts, but they have this tag social link. We get their name and color here. Color was another important thing. Um, so anyway, what is it called? What is this? Div doesn't have a key. Never mind. So the problem here is, yeah, we are getting tags with social link tag, filtering according to that tag. So we are only getting the social links here and sending them to footer. Footer then renders them in a map. Let's put a key. Item dot title. Why not? Or yeah. Anyway. So one more thing missing is to have these kind of a link, right? We need the link. So maybe we can have the name here as the name, and we can have the link here. What was it? And something like this. We can update this. And here it will be an A tag, I think. We should do an A tag. href is item dot. We also need to pass formats. Text is plain text. Okay, we got the text. We need the alt alt. So let's call this link. Let's call this text. Text is social dot feature image alt. Something like this. We can think about the naming. We can have a better naming. Anyway, so this will be link. Image alt is item. We have no slug here. It will be, what is the slug, by the way? It will be, what did I call it? Text. So this should render the actual item that we want. And it creates a mail to link, which opens my default mail application. Nice. So we will do the same for these logos as well. Okay, that should be it. I will do it later. Let's focus on the layout and the component itself, not the data. So footer should also have a padding here. Oh no, that's okay. It is on the padding. But this is not 100% width. That is the problem. What do we have here? Justify between. Ah, the issue is it is right. Okay. I will pull an image of myself. So I will do that uh, outside of the monitor here because I am accessing my personal vault. So let's pull something maybe from Twitter even. Does my Twitter profile picture big enough? Open picture in new window. Is there something like that? Okay, never mind. Photo, profile photos. Is it this one? Close up. I have no idea which one I used. Let me show it. So there are a couple of pictures. Face 800. I think this is like nicely squared. Yeah, let's get this one. Okay. Okay, we are going to use this. I will pull this into the project. To the public folder. Images. Nice. I am keeping it very clean. Static files are. So let's call this one headshot. Put it into the images folder. Cool. Now, yeah, this is the thing. We will call this images headshot.png. Let's call this alt is should be like this. Width should be. I am not sure. Let's make it 200 for a start. Head is not defined. Where is it? Ah, my bad. Cool. Let's continue. Sitemap. This sitemap should be a closing div. And here we will also make a UL of projects. What are you doing, man?